Alto saxophones, welcome back. On today's video, we're going to do Accent Book 2, page number 12. On page number 12, in the upper left-hand corner, we're reminded of the note G sharp with our third three fingers and our pinky key on the G sharp key. We're also going to use afterbeats, which are notes placed on the upbeat or the and or the after each strong beat. In key signatures, we're talking about key signature that has three sharps. F sharp is the first sharp, C sharp is the second sharp, and G sharp is the third sharp. They all together work to form the key of A major. And transposing. Transposing is when we rewrite a melody starting on a different starting pitch and using the same pattern of half steps and whole steps, which we learned about in a previous video. So our first exercise to play today is number 34, minor episode. We're going to use our G sharp for sure. And in this piece or in this exercise, we don't have any sharps or flats in the key signature. It's in 4/4 time and has some 16th notes to practice as well. So let's play through number 34, minor episode. 1, 2, ready, go. Let's do that again. Watch out for the G sharps in measure 2. 1, 2, E, and a ready, go. Now we'll move on to number 35, America, or God Save the Queen. This is a traditional piece of our history of music. It's in 3/4 time, and it has this key signature that has three sharps, F sharp, C sharp, and G sharp. Now, be careful of the note G sharp because it'll come up, and if you're not ready for it, you'll miss it. If you need to, mark it with a pencil, or at least the first one, so that you remember. 1, 2, 3, ready, set, go. Now we're going to do our page duet. This page has the duet called The Old Brass Wagon, and it's in two parts, a part A and a part B. On part A, where I'll start, watch out for the F sharp and the C sharp in the key signature. In part B, watch out for those sharps and the afterbeats. Let's try part A. If you want, you can play part B for an instant duet. 1, E, and a 2, ready, and go. Now part B. 1, E, and a 2, ready, and go. In measure 2, 4, and 6 of part B is where the afterbeats are. Those notes come on the and or the upbeat. If you're tapping your toe down up, that's where you place those eighth notes. Number 37 is from Felix Mendelssohn's theme on A Midsummer Night's Dream. This piece is in cut time. So those eighth notes at the very beginning will sound an awful lot like 16th notes. Remember that cut time takes the value of the notes and cuts them in half. Whole notes become 2. Half notes become 1. Quarter notes become half, or they'll sound like eighth notes, and eighth notes would sound like 16ths. We'll play this exercise 2 times. First time, here we go. 1 E and a 2, and ready and go. Let's do that again. 1 E and a 2, and ready, set, go. Our final exercise is number 38, and it's an accent on theory. You'll need a pencil for this one because you're going to be writing in the notes and rhythms for each of the 2 lines. It says, transpose the first 6 measures of number 35, America, God Save the Queen, into these 2 keys, then play. So, if we look back up at number 35, we started on the note A. Well, here, we want to start for the first one of number 38 on the note C. What notes would I use there to make that melody happen? Write them down using your pencil. Then, on the second line of number 38, what notes would we use if we were to play America starting on the note D? Take your pencil and finish it up. Use your instrument to check your progress to make sure that you match the patterns of half steps and whole steps. So until I see you next time, keep practicing.